Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thank you so much for joining me here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here again at KAS, seeing what's going on. We saw a massive increase yesterday, breaking through that resistance level. We can kind of see here close to about 17.2. We've talked about that level being somewhat of a resistance here in the past, and now is likely going to be the new support. So we're going to talk about that and a few other key factors. So if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Not a financial advisor, hope you can learn something today. If you want to become part of our trading community, academy, etc., jump on over to our Discord. We got a phenomenal group here. It's been awesome. Congrats to our community members for some nice profits from Bitcoin. We've also got some trade alerts and some extra features coming too here as well with our Premium Plus group. We're going to be trading Bitcoin on the daily, essentially, where we're going to basically be having day trades for Bitcoin. So cool stuff there. A lot of features to come. Thanks again to my community members for reaching out and just making my life a better place. I deeply appreciate working with you and just having to, getting to be able to work alongside you. It's really awesome. We got some great traders there. Looking forward to the next great milestone and adventure. So for right now, let's talk about the liquidation on the 7-day forecast, or mostly just a look back rather. We can see here 18.5 is a lot of liquidation here for KAS. Granted, we got a lot below the price action, but truth is this is a bullish type of market now. We've shifted gears, getting over the 20 and the 200-day SMA on Bitcoin on the daily, second stochastic swing on the weekly for Bitcoin. Those are all very, very positive contributing factors that will likely push the price action higher. Doesn't mean the price can't still pull back between now and then, but it just implies that we have more incentive for the price to go up because a lot of late shorts here are trying to squeeze out, or sorry, they're going to get squeezed if the price comes up higher. Okay, they're trying to push the price action down, which is sensible. It's normal for the price to overextend itself and to pull back within reason. So we're going to look at that. Either way, we got a massive amount of liquidation at about 20 cents even. So between now and then, there's not a ton of liquidation to the downside, more to the upside, incentivizing the price action to go higher than lower. Okay. That being said, let's take a look at the daily and work our way down. We got our new fibs here roughly kind of telling us this 0.618, this golden pocket, is potentially rejecting the price action. We can also see the most recent point of control at 18 cents is also holding the price right here in place. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see the price pull back and then we leg up once more. So me right now, just kind of outside looking in, or just, big picture, I'm going to be looking for an entry closer to 17.2, 17.3, just as a rough estimate. Now again, I just set an alert on my charts here, right? Do I blindly jump into a trade at that 17.2, 17.3 range? No. I set the alerts, I wait for the price to come there. When it comes there, I get the alert, I reevaluate and jump in if it's necessary. Again, I want to convince myself not to take a trade between now and then at any given time. 95% of trading is finding opportunities to not take a trade. I know it seems weird and crazy and upside down, but that's literally what you want to do. Having said that, here are some reasons why we probably should consider a long position. We're back up over the 20-day SMA, that 0.5 resistance at 17.2. We also can see here that we're over 50 on the RSI. I have been maintaining that for a while. Not a lot of coins can say this. Well, truth is a lot of coins can be over 50 now on the RSI as of today, but most of them haven't maintained this level for the last week. Okay, which this coin has. Second stochastic swing to the upside, money flow index higher, MACD soon to converge. A lot of reasons why KASPA should take off, okay, or continue further higher. Having said that, let's take a look at the 4-hour. All right, we're above all moving averages. Awesome stuff. We're right there at that point of control with an ascending type of wedge pattern here, or ascending, this is bullish no matter how you look at it, right? When the price action shoots up, continues to establish higher lows and higher lows and lower highs, and essentially squeezes itself in, and then inevitably the bears lose control. Okay, the price shoots up. We can see that as a likelihood here because again, oops, wrong chart. We are looking at about 18.5 cents here. Strong likelihood the price is going to shoot up to that 19-cent range here soon. Now again, could it retrace first before it does that? Absolutely. I'd prefer it so I can get a better entry, but you don't always get what you want. Having said that, we take a look here at the RSI. We can kind of recognize that we are, hold on, let's pull it up there. We're right there at 70 on the RSI. So as a tentative rejection, price action could continue higher, but the likelihood of the price going higher right now is potentially slightly lower than it pulling back and retracing and getting a second run at this. Okay, again, when you retest a resistance level for the first time in a while, it has a tendency of getting rejected out initially. Once again, that golden pocket, that 0.618 fib level, is likelihood of retracement. We can also see a second stochastic swing to the downside here. Even though MACD is converging, we're slowing the roll here, slowing the momentum. Keep in mind, as Bollinger Bands will attest, anytime you start to squeeze and compress, the likelihood of breakout is higher. And this being a bullish trend, we got to presume the price will probably be more likely to go up than down. So all the more reason not to short into that 17.2 cent range and to consider a long at that level if it happens. Again, emphasis on the word if. I've talked a lot about Solana, ICP, and a few other coins, specifically Bitcoin, slightly pulling back before the next leg up. If it does that, then we're more likely to see the price action continue higher, okay? So again, all the more reason why, we just want to be cautious and careful, not just blindly jump in because we're feeling the FOMO. The truth is, though, everything in the hourly is also telling us that we have a strong consideration for a long right now, and the more likelihood of the price action going higher than lower, okay? So again, I'll post this playout chart on our Twitter, Telegram, and Discord, and if you are part of our community, I'm posting trade alerts now as well, just to kind of give you a perspective on trades to get you kind of an early leg up. So, when we're ready to take the signal, where my mind's at. Okay, again, there are trade alerts. I will share that. I don't want to share that with you now, of course, because it's for our community, but generally speaking, it's going to lead into things like this here where Bitcoin switches. We flip from a short on Bitcoin to a long at 60,000, and we hit our nice little 55% profit there for that coin, right? Again, we did secure profits too for KAS, 16%. We're playing it safe. We secured profits early because Bitcoin was looking shaky going into the weekend. But after that assassination attempt on Donald Trump and like a handful of other contributing factors, there's a lot of reasons why the price action is here to stay for KAS and other coins too. Again, I would express some careful regard to just taking shorts right now. It makes no sense and it's not the smartest call. Either way, I'll post this playout chart here on our Twitter, Telegram, and Discord if you're not familiar. And of course, this is all there for you in case you're curious. They do look a little something like this if you haven't noticed. We do also have a Twitter and Telegram and Discord and TikTok now for some shorts. Those are all available there for you. All right, folks, thanks again for watching and listening. I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to like the video. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.